Hi, my name is Erica Lewis, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and Transformation Coach. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. This will be a place where you can come and find all kinds of uplifting content as it relates to mind, body, and spirit health. As far as the mind, we'll talk about topics like mental health, fortifying your mental health, and also the power of thought so that you can get through any type of situation that comes before you in your life. And also just to navigate your days and have good or better days so you truly feel good. I like to say feeling good is a new looking good. So we talk about that here. As far as the body and physical health, I love, love, love to share the good news with people that your genes only account for about 5% of your health picture, so to say. 95% of your health picture will be accounted for by diet, exercise, and lifestyle. So there's so much that you can do to safeguard your health to the best of your ability anyway. On a daily basis. So, regardless as to what kind of diseases, illnesses, or unwell situations that run through your family, mental or physical, again, we'll cover those and things that you can do to fortify and strengthen yourself to the best of your ability. And then spirit. Spirit, spirit, spirit. I love to talk about the spirit. A lot of times individuals suffer because they are not connected as much as possible to their inner being or to their spirit. A lot of times individuals are living out goals, dreams, and aspirations that weren't set for them, or they just found themselves in scenarios that they're unhappy in, and that causes a lot of strife. So we talk about ways to nourish the spirit, we talk about ways to nourish the body here, we talk about ways to nourish the mind so that you can truly thrive to the best of your ability. So again, thank you so much for stopping by. As we go along, I'll share with you more of my story and let you know what qualifies me to sit here before you. But until then, check out the other videos, comment, subscribe, and come back often. All right? Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye bye.